Hi guys. We are having a vacation with my girlfriend in Malaga, Spain, for 7 days, and I thought that I could do some kind of video every day for you guys to show our trip and what we do here. And I think that I will try to get some riding clips also from each day, so I don't know, let's see. Let's see about that. But yeah, enjoy or something.
Vamos, Cari, venga, ahora venimos otra vez.